Alright, let me turn on the light here. You can come in, just be careful. I'm glad you guys could come to our jam session tonight. Last week we had a group, and I'll just say, they could not find the beat. Now where is that light switch?
Hey guys, come on in. The coast is clear.
Well, as you
Oh
know,
man,
I
so
don't like
cool.
the
Why is it so dark in
Anyone
here?
want my leftovers?
He's gonna flip when he sees us
I'm
all
already
in
full.
here.
Ah, here it is.
Shh, everyone quiet.
Let me just set up the stage for you. It should be pretty easy since there's just 4 of you. Bathrooms and vending machines are in the back. Hey, wait a second. What are you all doing here at the same time? I said groups of 4. No more, no less.
But we are in groups of 4, man. See, there's 16 of us, and so 4 groups of 4 is 16.
Alright, looks like I'll have to call in crowd control for this one. Let me just move over here to the side, and I'm gonna get a little help from a friend. We call him a bar line. That's it, he's pretty simple. Bar line, come out here.
Cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha. Cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha.
Everybody, meet bar line.
Hi friends, I'm a friendly little bar line. My job is to separate you into groups of 4. That way we don't get too bunched up.
So this is how it's gonna work. I need 4 of you between me and the first bar line.
What's up?
Hi.
Yo. Hello, mates.
Perfect, just the way I like it. Now let's get another 4 of you on the other side of the bar line. Hey. Yeehaw!
Greetings, friends.
I like pickles.
Very funny, Pickle Boy. Now, we need another bar line. Bar line, come on out here.
Cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha. Cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha.
But what about the rest of our friends? There's no more room on this stage. No problem. We'll just have to make another row for the rest of your friends. Everybody follow me. Just scoot up. There we go. Nice and easy. Making room on the stage. Now let's bring up 4 more.
Ready to jam.
Hi, I'm hungry.
Hey, guys.
As you probably figured out, now we need another bar line. Come on out, bar line.
Cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha. Cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha.
All right, we're almost there. Just need 4 more.
This is cool, man.
Howdy. Peace.
I like pickles.
Ha, 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 ha. Oh no, who's that guy?
I don't know, but I really do like pickles.
You want to know who I am? I'm a final double bar line. That's what I'm called in music. If you see me, then you're looking at the end of a piece of music. Since you're running out of space, I'll just move over here to the end, just to let everyone know that the music stops here. So, what did we learn? The first thing we learned about was a bar line.
Hi friends, I'm a friendly little bar line. My job is to separate you. That way we don't get too bunched up.
Also, since our time signature is in 4, a bar line is placed after every 4 beats. We also learned that if we need to make more room for more beats, all we have to do is add a second row. Of course, adding a bar line after every 4 beats. This makes it look nice and organized. 3 and 4. Lastly, we've also learned that a final double bar line is placed at the very end of a piece of music. If you see a final double bar line, that signals that it is the end of the piece of music.